Pencila has one of the most advanced rulers and guides system out of any design software because it has it on a per artboard basis. So to turn on your rulers, you just come up right here. These are your rulers, these are your guides. So I'm just going to click the rulers and you can just easily toggle them on and off. And if you want to toggle your guides on and off, you just click this guides icon to toggle it on and off. Now to get a guide, all you have to do is just click in this area and drag. It's as easy as that. Or you click from the left area and drag. Now, if you want an object to snap to the guides, I'm just going to draw a square. And if you right click up here, you could turn on snap to guides or you could turn on lock guides. Lock guides will make sure your guides do not move, and snap will make sure that objects snap to your guides. So I'm just going to turn on snap to guides and watch this. If I drag the square close to the guides, it'll just snap right to the guides. This makes it super easy when you're trying to design. Now, let me show you the beauty of Pencila's guides and rulers. If you add a second artboard, this artboard will have its own rulers and guides. So you could just turn it on, see that? And it starts at 0. Now in most design softwares, they'll put rulers and guides at the top of the screen. So your second artboard, you're not getting an accurate measurement. In Pencila, every single artboard will give you an accurate measurement starting at 0. And that's rulers and guides.